Hey guys, Kristin LaVanway here. So a friend of mine recently asked me about investing in a REIT, which is a real estate investment trust. There's been a lot of them popping up over the last 15 to 20 years, and this particular one that she was looking at had a $1,000 minimum. And she's like, I don't have the $1,000 now, but if I did, is this a good idea? And the REIT that she's looking at, it's super hipster. They talk about crowdsourcing and hey, you can become a real estate mogul just like everybody else. It's real sexy, okay? It's real sexy. Like a lot of REITs, it invests in commercial real estate like apartments and office buildings, retail, and it makes money by the rents that they charge the tenants that use those properties. It delivers those monies to the investors in the form of dividends. Overall, well-managed REITs tend to be good investments, and a lot of them have performed really well compared to, stocks. So of course, like everything, there's no guarantees. There's some risk. So if they make money, you make money, and well, if they lose money, so do you. If you wanted to invest $1,000, it's not a bad idea. But is it the best option? These days, there's a lot of down payment assistance programs out there that help a person with decent credit and $1,000 in their pocket to buy a house. Like, let's just say you're renting a 2-bedroom townhome and you're paying $950 a month in rent, which is about what they go for these days. You could buy a similar townhome for about the same per month by the time you factor in the mortgage and the insurances and the HOA and everything, using that $1,000 as your down payment. And let's be honest, you probably already spent the $1,000 on the security deposit for the townhome. But, I've talked to a lot of people that just don't buy into that whole buying is better thing. Hey, if the air conditioning breaks, I don't want to fix it. And what if I want to move? And I don't want to lose my shirt like all those other losers back in the crash. And I totally get that. But let's just look at the situation right now, which is not like the crash, okay? Right now, prices are pretty decent. Appreciation rates are pretty decent. And interest rates, they are at historic lows. And I know it might not seem that way because they've been low like this for a long time, but trust me, they are really low. And so that makes this whole thing like a super no-brainer. Don't believe me? Let's just say you took that $1,000 and you invested it in that sexy REIT. In 5 years, that $1,000 turns into a magical $1,645. Ka-ching! But let's just say instead you took that $1,000, you buy yourself a townhome, and let's just say, to be fair, that in order to get the money out of the townhome, you have to sell it. So I'm going to factor in the cost of selling that bad boy. If you hang on to that townhome for 5 years, you're looking at a profit of over $11,000. Ka-ching, ka-ching. But how does that work? Like, why do you earn so much more money on the townhome? Well, because, my friends, you're taking $1,000, yes, but you're earning the appreciation rate on the entire townhome, the $140,000, $150,000 townhome. It's called leverage, and it's awesome. By the way, we didn't even factor in the whole rising rents thing because, let's be honest, in 5 years, you're not going to be paying $950 in rent. Probably going to be paying more like $1,100 in rent. Whatever, right? So, in a nutshell, by investing first in your home, you're leveraging money that you're already spending anyway in an investment that has proven over the long haul to provide more wealth to Americans than any other investment out there. I mean, okay, to be frank here, there's a lot of countries where you don't get to own property. America is one of those places where you can buy your own little piece of dirt, and if you take advantage of it, it pays off big. And guess what? If you start early, it pays off even bigger. So hey, if you want to take that $1,000 and invest in that sexy REIT, good luck. But if you want to take that $1,000 and really do some investing, well, you know where to find me, Kristin, here in Phoenix.com. That's where. Go out there, make it a great day.